Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about artificial intelligence, why it is required. We will also see history of artificial intelligence along with tools and techniques used, types of AI and few examples, and finally programming language used to develop artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making intelligent machine. This definition has been given by none other than John McCarthy, father of artificial intelligence. And there is also another general definition which defines artificial in a better way. The theory and development of computer systems capable to perform tasks normally require human intelligence, such as visual perceptions, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between language. Now we can see that artificial intelligence is an amalgamation of two words, basically artificial and intelligence. So its literal meaning is something that is as intelligence and not a natural being, something that is man-made and it is intelligent as human, something which can replicate human and act like them, something that has the ability to replace human. Such is a world of artificial intelligence. Again, here in this diagram, we can see that machine learning and deep learning are the subset of the artificial intelligence, where deep learning is again the subset of machine learning. Basically, these two are the major tools of artificial intelligence, which we will be seeing in the further slide. In our daily life, artificial intelligence plays a major role, and it has helped us in simplifying our life, business, and whatnot. We generate lots and lots of data on ongoing basis. Even now, when I'm speaking to you, I'm generating data, and you are watching this YouTube video. You're also generating data. Sometimes these data are structured, and sometimes it's unstructured. Artificial intelligence help to decode all this and provide us with some sensible output, which help us in decision making. I have tried to capture some of the benefits of artificial intelligence, like helps to automate repetitive learning and discovery through data. Artificial intelligence adds intelligence. It adapts to progressive learning and algorithm. It analyzes more and deeper data. It achieves incredible accuracy. It gets most out of the data. All these are self-explanatory. These are some of the reasons why artificial intelligence has gained pace. There can be many more reasons. I want you guys to pause and post what other reasons may be in the comment section. All these reasons actually help business to analyze and get hidden trend and help corporates to make better and informed decisions. Now here we are again going to look into the history of artificial intelligence. And you guys will be shocked to know that artificial intelligence has its footprints as back as Greek mythology, where the giant bronze warrior was programmed to guard the island of Crete. This giant warrior was programmed in a manner where it was able to guard across the diameter of the island thrice a day. It was created by the great Hephaestus. Then again in 1950, landmark year for the artificial intelligence saw the Alan Turing taking talking about ability of the machine to think like human. He even provided the Turing test, which based on certain parameters assessed whether the machine is able to think like human or not. Unfortunately, none of the machine was able to pass Turing test at that time. Again in 1952, saw two gentlemen named Christopher Strachey and Darius Pringe wrote program for checkers and chess respectively. In 1956, John McCarthy, father of artificial intelligence, coined the term artificial intelligence in Dartmouth Conference. Scholars from across the globe gather in this conference where John McCarthy created the historical moment in the world of artificial intelligence. In 1959, first AI lab named MIT was set up for the various research and development for the future of the AI. This lab is still operational and is situated in Massachusetts. In year 1960, it witnessed the first artificial intelligence robot that was being introduced in the General Motor assembly line, followed by the first AI chatbot in 1961. At present, there are many chatbots used by the different organizations to record the grievances and guide the customers. Till now, artificial intelligence was it in its cradle phase, but year 1997 saw the growth in the artificial intelligence, where it was able to beat the human. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue was able to beat Gary Kasparov, who was the champion of the chess. And in 2005, same history was repeated in the Darba Grand Challenge, where autonomous robotic car named Stanley won and beat all other behind. Again in 2011, IBM Watson Its question answering system was able to defeat the greatest Jeopardy champions Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings. Now we'll look into some of the tools and techniques used by the artificial intelligence. I have already informed you that machine learning and deep learning are the tools of AI, where machine learning is subset to AI and deep learning is subset to machine learning. Here I will brief you on these terms, but for detailed understanding I will be coming with the separate video and will provide the link in the description box. So basically machine learning is subset of the artificial intelligence which provide a machine with the ability to think and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. Basically, it's a practice of getting machine to solve problems by gaining ability to think. If you feed data to the machine, with it will interpret, analyze, and solve problem based on algorithm fed to it. Just like a child who is fed with cultures, values, education to make them grow intelligent, machines are also fed with the data so that they can learn and be competent to make decisions. This feeding of data is being done by the machine learning. Then again, we have the deep learning. So what is deep learning? It is a subset of the machine learning, which makes the computation of multi-layer neural network feasible. It is very inspired by the structure of the brain. Computer vision or the machine vision captures visual information and converts the images to the digital data. And data signal processing is employed to process the data, like medical image analysis. Then we have the natural language processing. It helps the human it processes the human language and enables the interaction between the computer and human language, like Google translators. Now there are three types of artificial intelligence: name, artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. At present we are living in the generation of artificial narrow intelligence, which is also known as the weak AI. We see Alexa, Tesla, Siri, all these are the part of the weak AI, weak artificial intelligence. Then we have the artificial general intelligence, which is a strong artificial intelligence, which is yet to come. In this, most of the works will be automated and machine will be able to make their own decision. Finally, we have artificial super intelligence era, where machine will overtake human. We must have seen different movies where robot command the world. This era will represent such a role of artificial intelligence. Some of the top thinker claims that this will be bad for the mankind, while other believes that this will help in the growth as human will be the one who will be controlling these machines. I would like you guys to pause and post your view in the comment section regarding what will be the scenario when artificial super intelligence comes. Now we'll look briefly on some of the examples of artificial intelligence. Google search engine being one of them. We all must have experienced this. When we try to search anything via Google, it predicts the word or statement. This is done by the artificial intelligence. Google predicts purely based on the search history, age, location of the users. Then JP Morgan Contract Intelligence Platform uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and image recognition software to analyze the legal documents. It has the ability to read around 12,000 legal documents in a matter of a second, which otherwise would have taken 36,000 hours. Another example, we have IBM Watson, which is being used by most of the healthcare in organization. It was able to cross-reference around 20 million oncology records quickly and correctly diagnose rare leukemia condition in the patient. Google AI eye doctor again can examine retina scans and identify a condition called diabetic retinopathy. We all are aware of the Facebook and its auto tag feature. So this is done by using machine learning and deep learning. Similarly, Twitter uses the natural language processing to check content posted. Basis this, it was able to suspend multiple suspicious terrorist linked accounts. Then we have Google Assistants. This help you make call, book appointments, and whatnot. It gives the human touch. Siri and Cortana, some of the examples of this nature. We all must have heard of the Tesla driverless car. This creation of Elon Musk and team is perfect example of artificial intelligence. It has successfully completed a test drive and is ready to hit the market throughout the globe. During this lockdown, I presume most of us are devoting a lot more time in Netflix. When you're using Netflix, have you noticed that it provides recommendation to watch different series? And most of the time we select the series from the recommendation and watch and actually liked it. Wondered how come Netflix come to know about your taste and about your tastes? Actually, this is a work of artificial intelligence. Netflix uses artificial intelligence which uses your watch history, age, location, and what other people watches who shares the same interest as you. Based on all this, it provides recommendation. Approx 80% of the user watches the stuff recommended from the recommendation section. Well, that's a huge number, right? Similarly, we all have used Gmails and have seen certain mails are directed and filtered as spam, and it gladly go and sit in the spam sectors section. This filtration is done by the Google using artificial intelligence. It uses machine learning and natural language processing in doing so. Now we have seen multiple examples. Before going forward, I would like the viewers to pause and flood the comment section with other examples. I will be reading your comments. So let's see who comes to the innovative examples. Now here we will be I have listed down certain programming languages used in artificial intelligence. These are again not the exhaustive list. Amongst this LISP, this was the first one, which was used by the John McCarthy, who is the father of artificial intelligence. Others are Java, Prolog, C++, Python. At present, Python is widely used across the globe. With this, I sum my topic today, and if you have any doubts, query, then do comment. I will respond to you at the earliest. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.